Hey, welcome to this new podcast. It's time to learn about superlative adjectives, affirmative and negative sentences. Well, if you want to talk about superlative adjectives, it means you want to compare maybe a person, maybe an object, or maybe a thing with the rest of the group of its kind. So remember, in this case, the noun could be a person, an object, a place, or an animal. So then you have chosen your noun, you need the verb be. In this case, the verb be has three conjugations. Am, is, are, or the negative form, am not, isn't, aren't. Please always remember to use the correct conjugation. For example, my father is, I am, my house is, we are, and so on. Well, you have the subject and the verb be. What's next? Well, then you need the adjective. But in this case, we're going to use the superlative form of the adjective. So how is that possible? For example, you can say the richest. So rich is a one-syllable adjective. You need to add est, est at the end of the adjective, and that's all. The richest. Don't forget the word the. What about slim? Slim is one-syllable adjective too, but in this case ends in a consonant vowel consonant. So you have slim. Can you see? Slim. So in this case, you're going to double the last consonant M, and then you need to add est, est, the slimmest. What about crazy? Well, in crazy, this adjective ends in a Y. So what is going to happen with the kind of adjectives? Well, you need to change the I, the Y for an I, and then add AST, the craziest. For example, I am the craziest. You are the craziest. We are the craziest. Okay, so what happened with the adjectives that has more than one syllable? For example, beautiful, intelligent, creative, and so on. Well, you need to add the word most. The most beautiful, the most intelligent, the most creative, the most. Yeah? Well, what's next? Finally, you need a complement. So what about the complement? Well, you need the group. So you're going to use, for example, a noun plus a group. Like, my father is the best father in the world. Or, I am the most intelligent person in the group.